So here's a breakdown on how I personalised these calendars. I wanted to draw a winter scene on there, so I put a base layer of white paint and then sketched out the scene. Taking the boxes out, I decided to fill in the backgrounds just to get rid of that wood effect and make it look a bit tidier. So then layering on my paint, I painted on the winter scene as you can see here, but you could still see the wood behind. So I decided to paint the outside of the boxes with this imitation silver paint. And then when they were ready, I decided to also line them with some felt just to give them a nice finish. So I cut out the shape of the felt to the box and stuck it on the inside, and that gave it the final touches. So I just painted the edges with the silver paint as well, and then they were ready to fill. So I actually made two of them, one with this winter scene and one with a scene inside a cosy home at Christmas time with the tree and the decorations. So yep, they were ready to fill with goodies and gifts, and then I stuck a bow on them and they're ready to go.